Have you also started a new channel but don't know where to get editing materials from? Are you confused about how to make a professional profile picture, watermark, or outro? If yes, then don't worry, because today I brought something special for you. I have created a complete starter editing pack especially for beginners. In this pack, you will get a professional profile picture template, a watermark, a ready-made outro, and project files that you can easily edit. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Part 1. Making profile picture. We are going to create your profile picture. For that, open PicsArt. If you don't have PicsArt installed, you can download it from Telegram. I've uploaded everything there. Now follow these steps carefully. Open PicsArt. Click on the plus button to create a new project. Select the background or template I've provided in the starter pack. Add your image or logo. Adjust the size and position properly. Add text with your channel name. Choose a bold and clean font. Add shadow or glow effect to make it look more professional. I'll show you step by step on screen. Just follow exactly what I'm doing. Now adjust the colors according to your theme. Keep it clean and simple. Don't add too many effects. Professional designs are always minimal. And that's it. Now you can see your profile picture is ready. It looks clean, professional, and perfect for a new creator. Part 2. Making watermark and outro. Don't have to work too hard here because I've already created the project files for you. All you need to do is open the editing app, like CapCut or the one you use. Go to Projects. Import the project file that I provided in the starter pack. Open the project. Now simply rename the text with your own channel name. That's it. For watermark, change the name. Adjust the position. Export it in high quality. For outro, replace the channel name. Add your subscribe animation. Keep the background simple. Export in 1080p quality, and boom, your professional watermark and outro are ready. No complicated steps, no extra effort, everything is beginner friendly. So guys, that's all for today. All the links for the starter editing pack are uploaded on my Telegram channel. You can go there and download everything easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are starting their own channel, because everyone deserves a professional start. See you in the next video. Keep creating, keep growing.